Hello everyone, welcome to the video series on Computer Science with Python for class 12th. Today we will continue our discussion on file handling. We have in previous some videos we have covered handling of text files. In this video and the coming 2-3 videos we will see how to handle binary files. So let us start. So let us recall what is a binary file. So binary file is a file that stores the data in the same way as it is going to be stored in the memory. That means it doesn't store the data in a processed form. It stores the data as it is going to be stored in the memory. So that means if you open a binary file in any kind of text editor, then the data is going to present in a human unreadable form. You might not going to understand the data, okay, because it is not processed data. Okay, now examples of binary files are like exe files, mp3 file, image files. All these are examples of binary files. If you open these files in text editor, we are going to see unreadable data, human unreadable data. Now let us recall the modes also, file access modes also, as it is there in text files. The similar thing is present in binary, but here we are having an additional character B always. That means for read in text file we are having R only. Now we are having RB. RB stands for read binary. Similarly, for writing a binary file, the mode will be WB, write binary, and for appending binary files it will be AB. Okay, and the other version also it is available, like RB plus means read binary, plus means you are going to perform two operations, both read and write. WB plus for write and read, AB plus for append and read. Okay, now this part is similar to text file, only thing is this B is there, this additional character B is there to specify we are going to handle a binary file. Okay, now let us see how to write and read data in binary files. So because when you're going to write data in binary files, and binary file doesn't hold the data in processed form, so while writing something, for say say for example I want to write a string, focus on this picture. Suppose I want to write a string into a binary file. In that case, while writing I need to convert the data, or rather I can say I need to encode the data using some kind of encoding scheme before storing the data into the file. Okay, the raw string, whatever string I am having, first I need to encode the data in some kind of UTF or ASCII, some kind of encoding scheme. Then the processed data, after encoding I can store the encoded data into the binary file. Similarly, while reading from a binary file, so this is my binary file, I want to extract my data. So while you get the data is again, if you read directly it will be not present in a readable form. So what we will do, while reading we try to decode the data. Okay, as we are using encoding while writing, while reading the data we need to decode the data, and then we can get our original string. Now let us try to understand this using a program. Okay, now let us open a file. This part is quite similar to handling test file. Open function is always same. Okay, so the same folder that we have used in previous examples, my data is the folder, and there suppose I am going to create a binary file, bin file. I am giving bin file 1, file name is bin file 1.dat, suppose is the extension. Now then I am going to open it. I want to write something, so I will open it in WB. Now please note here I am not writing W only, I am writing WB because we are going to handle a binary file, and this file is not there. Let us go and check the folder. Okay, let us go and check this my data folder. So in my data folder we are not having any kind of binary file. All the text file that we have used in previous examples, only those files are there. So let us try and create a binary file here. So because I am writing something and the file is non-existing file, then automatically a file named bin file 1 is going to be created. Okay, then suppose I want to write something, so let me create a string. Text equals to, I am having some string, suppose Python is easy. I am having a string, a very simple string, Python is easy, and I want to write this particular text or this particular string into the binary file. But as we've already discussed, writing binary file directly won't be possible, because before writing the data need to be encoded. So for that we are having a function encode to convert normal data, normal text into an encoded form of any kind of encoding scheme. Okay, so that we will do. Suppose I am going to create a new variable n data, a string which will hold text dot encode. I'm going to encode this function. This encode function is a library function that converts a string into an encoded form, but you need to provide which form I need to convert. Suppose I am writing UTF-8. So what it will do, this function will convert this string to this format and it will return the encoded data. So our encoded data is now present in this string n data. Okay, now because this n data or encoded data, this thing is now a encoded data converted from a simple text. Now this thing can be written into the binary file directly. So we will do the same thing, f dot write n data. Now please see, while I am writing, what is our goal actually? Our goal is to write this text, but I am not writing the text directly into the file. F dot write text I am not doing. One extra step we have added. Before writing the data, writing the string, I am converting the string into UTF-8 format, and the encoded data I am writing, because as we have discussed, raw data, raw strings cannot be written. You need to encode first before writing. Okay, so data is written. Now let me close the file. Okay, so if I execute this, you can see a file, binary file 1, bin file 1, bin file 1 dat. This file is created, a binary file is created, and also this holds the data. Now how to check what it contains? Let me again open and print it, read and print the content, so that we can verify. And the same program I am doing. So again I am opening the file, same file, but now I am going to open in read mode. After that, let us get the data. Suppose b data, because we will get binary data while reading. F dot read. When you read the data, what it will read? It will extract the contents, retrieve the contents of the binary file that I am reading, but the data is now present in encoded form. So if I print b data now, we will get binary data. So to get our original data, what we can do to get our original, suppose text, what we can do, we need to convert again this binary data that we got from the binary file to simple string using this decode function. Decode function also takes the argument that we have already used. We have encoded this using UTF-8 format. So again, while decoding, we need to mention the data is present in UTF-8. So it will decode the b data that we have directly got from the file to get so that it can produce our original text. So this text is nothing but our original text. So let us run this text. Okay, so this must print our original data. So same thing we are doing. First the original plain string is converted, encoded, and the encoded data is written. While reading, what we are doing? We are doing just the opposite thing. While reading, we get the decoded encoded data. Okay, data is not a plain string, so we decode the whatever binary data we got into a plain string, and then we are printing it. So let me close the file and let us execute. See, Python is easy. The original string that we have written, the same string we are going to be getting because of the decode function. Okay, so this is how we can write and read from binary files using encode and decode function. So in this program, the main thing need to understand is these two functions, encode function and decode function. Encode function converts a plain text, string into an encoded form of any kind of encoding scheme, and the decode function just do the reverse. It will get the binary data from the text file, from a binary file, and it will decode the binary data into the original string format. Okay, so this is what we are doing in this video. Okay, so in the next class we'll see some other useful ways, more easier ways to handle, to write and read data into binary files.